Just finished this install of the pop and lock tailgate security system for a 2015 F-250 Super Duty King Ranch. And there it is. That's what you pay for right there. That went on super easy, just one bolt like the instructions. The wiring was not so easy. The holes go like straight back, but then the stock wiring comes out right here. So if you want to get it out the same hole, I mean, even just to get it through those first couple holes is not that easy. So I had to use this handy dandy wire. This became my best friend during this whole install. Routing wires turns out is a bitch and a half. But yeah, once I got it routed through the tailgate, came down the bed frame, you know, following the factory wiring harness. I don't know if you can even see it there, but then it comes up over the gas hoses there, that black wire, this guy. And then I went down to the front. I took this wheel liner out, the wheel well, to access the grommet in here. That was almost a fail of an effort. I mean, it was extremely hard to get that wire up in there. It took a lot of time. I know there's lots of videos out there how to route wires into the cab. There's definitely easier ways, but for now that one worked for me after a lot of trial and error. Again, wire technique. I thought this thing was split at the bottom, so once you undo the tape I thought it just opens up, but it doesn't. They made it just wide enough for however many wires are in this freaking bundle, so that was fun. But I wanted it to route to the passenger side because I wanted it to open on the second click of the remote when you do unlock. So let's see if that shows it. So there's my wire coming out. Obviously I still have to hide it a little more, but I had to extend it. So it came off of here. Again, wire hanger through the center console area, out the other side. And then here we are. So I watched a lot of videos on, you know, which wire to pick. I couldn't really find any videos on an F-250. That's kind of why I'm making this one. But I found some on F-150s, and it seems like everybody always wired them backwards the first time because the directions don't tell you which one to use. So I wrote it down. There you go. Green goes to the gray one. Blue goes to the purple one. So you don't have to worry about switching it up. So I got those spliced together, kind of stagger them so they sit a little cleaner. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just got to hide the wires. I'll show you how it works if I can find the key. So here's how it works. Got it locked, unlock on the second click. So I noticed, you know, it doesn't fully engage the lock right there. You know, I swear somebody else had this issue, but I couldn't find it on the line. Someone modified it to make it fully engage better, but if you just, once you pull the handle, it falls into lock. I mean, I don't know. Unlock. Lock. And see, then it falls in. So I guess it's fine. Hopefully that doesn't cause any issues, but this piece is pretty easy to take off, you know, if you gotta mess with it some more. Of course, my wiring's pretty tight, so anyways, it was a super long install, not gonna lie, with routing the wires, but as far as this goes, nothing to it, you know, 5 minutes.